How to pay with Venmo balance instead of bank. First, open Venmo app on your mobile. Alright, after opening your Venmo up, what you need to do next is, you're gonna find this page. You need to just go and click on Pay or Requests. Okay, just click on it. After clicking on Editor, what you need to do is to type the username of someone that you want to pay him. He could be your friend or anything. Just type his or her username here, and after type in his or her username, what you need to do next, you need to enter the amount of money that you want to pay. Okay, and under the amount of money that you want to pay, you need to describe what type of payments. For example, why you want to pay that friend, something, just write anything about this. And after doing this, you just need to click on Pay. Okay, and after clicking on Pay, congrats, you just paid with your Venmo balance without bank account. As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow, and you're going to be able to pay with your available balance instead of your bank account. That would be it. That's how you can pay with Venmo balance instead of bank.